Okay, tax ID information. Extremely important. Not only does it kind of make sure you're all good to go with accounting, making sure that you're paid properly, you have to pay attention to just the particulars when it comes to taxes, especially if you're going to be a corporate client with Zeropark. And if you live in a particular area that has special tax requirements like the European Union and the VAT tax, and if you are in Poland and anything like that. So you need to know how to submit your tax ID information. I know this is super basic. You're probably like, why am I watching this? But please, if you do not do this by following these steps and making sure that your settings are all good to go, then you're going to have issues with your payments. So you need to pay close attention to this and address this as you are creating your account. When you go to sign up, you're going to be asked for specific information regarding your country of residence, if you have any company information, anything of that nature. So this is the place where you're going to have to put your tax ID information. You may also be required to submit any supporting documents if you have to verify the validity of your business, or if you are not registered, you may have to submit some different documents. Okay, so as you can see here, you would enter your tax information at this area. So any registered countries can deduct taxes from their advertising ad spend. So that's super important whenever it comes to filing your taxes. So you have to make sure you include that information here. And then if you need to submit your tax ID information after you've created an account, what you'll want to go do is in your dashboard, you're going to go to My Account. And then from your account, if your tax ID has not been accepted, this will be blank. And then you'll just enter your information here under your billing details, and that's it.